Hi folks, this is Ansār Idrīsi. Today I'll be talking about one of the most important elements of public speaking. You might be thinking, oh, every time he's showing something greatest things about public speaking, but today's the topic is really very unique and one of the most important thing, and that's what? Nervousness. So be with me if you want to know how to tackle the problem of nervousness and how to tackle the situation which comes according to your nervousness and all, and how to tackle the situations which you are not speaking on the stage. So be with me till the end of the video. Hi folks, so let's go here. Now today we are talking about nervousness in public speaking. Not only in public speaking, but in the other speaking as well. Would like to tell you how people are facing problems with their nervousness. Even I used to face the same problem that I used to feel very shy to face the camera. I used to feel very shy to face the audience as well. As you know about my story, I was a punk kid in my childhood and I was the person who never used to talk to people. I was completely a recluse person. So now today I'll be talking about nervousness in English while speaking. So first of all, the people they say that I feel nervous. Then why do you feel nervous? First of all, tell me that. If you feel nervous, for that you have to write down now my guru mantra. And the guru mantra is what? Nobody is perfect. Remember this. Why do I always say that nobody is perfect? Because if you go in the whole world, you will not find even a single person on the earth who is completely perfect. Because being perfect is not a joke. You have to work on it, and I don't believe that anyone could be perfect here in the world. So remember the first Guru Mantra that actually I'm not demotivating you, actually I'm motivating you to speak up at least. Because the people who are not trying, they will never become a successful person until unless you try. So it is the same thing I would like to suggest to you that if you want to become something great, then you have to try. Give a try. If you are giving a try, at least you'll gain something. It is the same thing with nervousness. Would like to tell you, if you feel nervous, just go and try to practice a lot. Because practice makes man perfect. It is another what? A proverb in English. Now this proverb is teaching is that if you are practicing at home, if you are practicing anywhere, if you are practicing in front of the camera, that's the most important thing. Why? Because many of the people they face mirror and they laugh. But camera is really an amazing thing that it is going to record your video and you can just go and you can just have a look over here. It is the same thing I would like to tell you about nervousness is what? If you are feeling nervous, just go and face the camera first at the first stage. Apart from that, one of the most important thing you have to do for nervousness is what? You have to keep on practicing at home. Time to time you have to practice. Just keep on practicing at home. One of the greatest tip I'm going to give you today here for nervousness is what? Charity begins at home. You might have heard this one before. Now, charity begins at home. In this one, I would like to tell you that if you are starting speaking in your home, start speaking at home with your parents, with your siblings, with your neighbors, with your acquaintances, with your friends, or at least you can talk to your brothers and sisters, or you can talk to your chums. It will give you a great kind of encouragement to speak up. So it is the same thing that if you are going against your nervousness, you're going to gain success completely. This is what I guarantee. I would like to tell you one more thing is what? That if you are feeling shy, so just do one thing, lock up the room and try to practice alone. Because if you are going to practice there, that practice will make you perfect. And one day, the nervousness which you have inside you, that will be wiping off completely. Now, if you see their nervousness, people say that I feel nervous while going in public. First of all, we have to go step by step. The first step I would like to tell you is that you can go with your nervousness by practicing your reading first. The first stage is what reading. How? Just see. Many of the people they might be thinking that I can speak well, I can read well, I can read well. But problem is what? Not reading exactly. Reading with loud voice. Because the greatest enemy of yours is your own voice. The moment when you're listening your own voice, you feel very shy and you feel under the cloud that you can't hear your own voice. Now let me tell you one more thing. If you can't hear your own voice, then nobody can. So have courage, have belief in yourself. That is going to motivate you to speak up in public. Apart from this one, start reading in loud noise. That at least you should listen it. The moment when the voice of your mouth is going in your ears, you are going to listen something greater and you're going to gain their encouragement. I would like to tell you one more thing. That the moment when you are reading, so start reading first week normally, then the screen increase the voice, then increase the voice little bit. At least you'll gain some confidence here. So this is what the point number one that can get rid of from your nervousness. Second thing, start speaking. Number two element is what? Start speaking. How will you start speaking? Simply, you are going to start speaking in general with your colleagues, with your parents, with your siblings, and many other people around you. So you can just do one thing as well. The many of the people they are speaking Hindi. अब हम लोग हिंदी में बात करते हैं, बात बराबर है. But how to speak English suddenly, it is a problem you might be thinking. There's no problem. You can just do one thing. That the moment when you are entering home, so at least one sentence. The moment when you are having a meal, at least one sentence. For example, you're talking to your siblings, you're talking to your parents. At the time, you can say that, can I have a glass of water? Ami, glass of water, please. So you can just give a good sentence in English. It will increase your confidence. Yes, I do agree with you. That it will boost up your confidence. Suppose, for example, अब आप भाई से बात कर रहे हैं, and you have to say that, remove my shoes. मेरे shoes निकाल दो. You can say that, remove my shoes. Just a good phrase, that a short sentence is there, which is going to build up great confidence in yourself, and even your siblings will be start speaking. So this is the greatest tip. That the tip number one was reading. The tip number two is what? Listening. So listening, and then next speaking as well. So if you see here, listening. Now what are you going to listen? Many of the people they say that I listen to English songs. I don't agree with them. Because see, the English songs which are they're making on very high volume and very high pitch as well. If you go, you can't get and grab the words from English songs. So I do guarantee you, better than that, you can go for one more thing, and that's one of the most important thing is what? You can listen to tape scripts. The tape scripts which I have provided to my students. So if you want that tape scripts, so the link is below in the description. You can click on that link and you'll be getting that tape scripts as well. Apart from this one, I would like to tell you, if you want to listen something, apart from that, you can listen some audios which are from UK or US English. That is going to boost up your language, your confidence, and it will completely wipe off your nervousness. So I believe these are the three basic elements of speaking confidently without nervousness in public or anywhere on the stage. That reading, listening, and speaking. So you can go with these things, and if you get the results, please get me the feedback. I would be very helpful to make you some great videos more on the same topic, or I'll be changing the topics as well, and we'll be making you and we'll be serving you in a better way. Thank you so much. And if you have any sort of doubts, comments, or any sort of problems, or any would like to give you compliments and appraisals and all, so you can put it into the chat box, into the comment box as well, and please try to motivate us to make more and more videos for you. That is going to encourage. Thank you so much. And if you have any questions, you can just reach out to us by the mail. Thank you.